Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 15 amazing things that the AirPods and the AirPods Pro can do but you probably didn't know about. These are like hidden tricks and hidden features of the AirPods and the AirPods Pro that a lot of people don't know about. So this is especially useful if you don't have them and you're wondering whether you should buy them or not. Here are 15 things that you might not know that the AirPods and the AirPods Pro can do. Now, the first thing you might not know that the AirPods can do is transfer the call. So if you're on a call, you're on the phone normally speaking to someone, or you're on the phone speaker, but you put your AirPod in your ear, it will automatically take the call to the AirPods. So it will switch from the iPhone to the AirPods. So you can see right here, if I just go on a call here, I put my AirPod on, I don't have to touch anything right here. It will automatically go ahead and switch to the AirPods. So just like that, it will transfer the call from the phone or from the speaker of the phone to the AirPod. But for that to happen, you will need to make sure that you go to settings, go to Bluetooth, go to your AirPods, tap the I button, and then just go down here and find automatic ear detection. Make sure that this is turned on. If this is turned off, that won't work at all. You will have to keep this on in order for the AirPods to automatically detect your ear and transfer the call. Every once in a while, you maybe will be using just one of your AirPods. So you leave the one in the case, you take out the other one and you're using it, maybe to save battery, use just one at a time or for whatever reason. Did you know that you can actually enable noise cancellation on just one AirPod? Now what you need to do is go to settings and go to accessibility. Once you have your AirPods connected to your iPhone, you will find a new menu right here that says AirPods. So just go ahead, click there, and you will find here noise cancellation with one AirPod. You go ahead and enable this, and then you will have noise cancellation enabled even if you have just one AirPod in your ear. If you have a Mac and you have your AirPods or the AirPods Pro connected to your Mac, you can still take a look at the battery percentage of the AirPods. So what you need to do on the status bar of your Mac, just go ahead and tap on the Bluetooth icon. Right there, you will find a menu where you will also see the name of your AirPods or the AirPods Pro. Just tap, basically scroll on them, and then it will show you another menu from where you can disconnect. And also down below, it will show you the percentage of the left and the right battery on the AirPods. You can also control the noise cancellation feature from your Mac. So if you connect your AirPods or the AirPods Pro to the Mac, what you can do is just tap on the volume icon on the status bar on your Mac, find the AirPods Pro, and then from here you will see a menu where you will see noise cancellation. You will have three options. You have off, you have noise cancellation, and also transparency. Now, something really interesting about the AirPods Pro, I found this on the Apple website, is how quickly they will charge. Now, if both of your AirPods run to totally out of battery and you need them, you go ahead, place them into the case, and in 5 minutes they will charge that much that it will be enough for you to listen to music for 1 hour. So 5-minute charge will last you 1 hour of listening time and almost 1 hour of talking time if you're using them to talk on the phone. Now for the AirPods and the AirPods 2, not the Pros, if you charge them for 15 minutes, so they're totally drained out of battery, you charge them for 15 minutes, then you will have enough battery for 3 hours of listening time. So listen to music for 3 hours with only 15 minutes of charge on your AirPods and the AirPods 2. You can also use your AirPods to start playing music. So you're running or just working out and you want to start playing music, you don't need to take your phone out of your pocket. Using your AirPods, you can ask Siri to do that for you, and it's pretty easy. So on the older AirPods, all you gotta do is just double tap to launch Siri. On the newest ones, all you gotta do is just say, "Hey Siri, play some music from my library." And as you can see, just like that, it will start playing music right away. That's really cool. You don't need to do anything, not even take your phone out of your pocket. Just go ahead, launch Siri, and ask Siri to play any music that you want. You can of course control the music with Siri as well. So with the phone on your pocket, all you gotta do is just say, "Hey Siri, next song." Next song. "Hey Siri, previous song." "Hey Siri, pause the music." And just like that, you can use Siri to control your music. So play the next song, the previous song, play, pause the music, everything can be done directly using your AirPods and Siri. You don't need to touch your AirPods, you don't need to touch your phone, everything can be done using Siri. You can of course use Siri as well to make calls. So with your phone in your pocket and your AirPods on, you're running, you're working out, you're doing something, just having a fun time with your AirPods on, you want to call someone, you don't need to take out your phone. Just say, "Hey Siri, call test." And just like that, you can see we're on the AirPods right there, and Siri will make the call. So all you gotta do is just say to Siri to make the call to the specific contact that you want, and just like that, automatically it will be done through your AirPods. Now using the Find My app, which is a new app on iOS 13, you can find your devices as well as your AirPods. So right here you will have a list of your devices. You lost your AirPods somewhere around the house, you go ahead and tap play a sound and it will start playing a sound. So the sound will be played on both of the devices. And what if you found one of them? You can see right here it shows you a menu. Once it starts playing the sound, you will have left and right. So let's say we found the left one. Tap right there, it will stop the sound on the left one, and then it will bring the sound just to the right one. So okay, so that's the left one, that's the right one. So here it doesn't play a sound, it will only play a sound right here. So once you grab them, of course it will automatically turn off the sound as it knows that you have found them. You might not know, but you can also connect your AirPods to your Apple TV. So just go to the Bluetooth menu on your Apple TV and you will find there, of course, your AirPods. You will have the ability to connect and listen to your TV using your AirPods. Now, taking a look at the battery percentage on the AirPods is pretty simple, and you will have a ton of ways. Some of the ways you might not know about. So you can actually take a look at the percentage of the battery directly from the lock screen. If you just go ahead and tap your playing music, you just tap right there, you will see your AirPods, and it will also show you the battery percentage that you have on your AirPods right there. So that's really awesome. The same can be done directly from the music app. So when you're playing music, it will show you right here the device where the music is streaming. All you gotta do is just tap right there, and it will again show you your AirPods right there, and of course the battery percentage. The same thing can also be done from the control center. So you just open the control center, you tap right there, and it shows you your AirPods that are connected to your iPhone, and you will also see the battery percentage. So a lot of easy ways and quick ways as well to check the battery of your AirPods. With the older AirPods, you had the ability to invoke Siri by double tapping on the AirPod. With the newer ones and the AirPods Pro, you can say, "Hey Siri," in order to open Siri. But what if you don't want to do that? You're somewhere like on a public place, or you're on a meeting or somewhere, you just don't want to invoke Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," you want to press a button. To do that, you can do that with the AirPods Pro as well. But what you will need to do is go ahead and go to settings, go to the Bluetooth menu, and tap right here on your AirPods, and then you will find here left and right. So these are of course your AirPods. What you want to do is go to one of them. You can see by default both will be on noise control, so you're still using both of them to control the noise cancellation feature. What you want to do is go ahead and choose Siri on one of them, and then of course once you place it in your ear, you tap the button, and as easy as that, it will invoke Siri. So you can use any of the AirPods in order to invoke Siri with your AirPods Pro. So that is it for this video, guys. These are some of the hidden features, less known features of the AirPods and the AirPods Pro. I hope this video will help you learn more about the AirPods. This is basically like for the people that are maybe deciding whether to buy them or not, or they're just new to the AirPods like me. I just recently got them and don't know a lot about them. Then hopefully this video will basically learn you a few new features and tricks and of course hidden features of the AirPods and the AirPods Pro. I really enjoy them. As I said, I have bought them recently and they're really great. The AirPods Pro, great sound quality, and of course the noise cancellation is really amazing. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.